Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Check system requirements and free up storage before you start. Free at least 40 GB of disk space before installing The Sims 4, because the base game plus packs can exceed 30 GB and temporary files use additional space. Confirm you have Mac OS 13 or later and at least 8 GB of RAM. 16 GB is preferred for smoother gameplay. Back up your Mac and update the App Store, Steam, or EA app first so installers and drivers install cleanly and avoid corrupt files. Download The Sims 4 from Steam or the EA app and sign into your account, choosing the Apple platform download when available. If the installer is Intel only on an Apple Silicon MacBook Air, install and run the app using Rosetta Translation to ensure compatibility. After installation, open Game Graphics Settings and set in-game resolution to 1280x800 or 1440x900 for better performance. Lower texture quality to medium or low, and limit frame rate to 30-60 FPS to reduce thermal throttling and preserve battery life. Before you play, close background apps, quit browser tabs, and set Energy Saver to prevent automatic graphics scaling. This reduces CPU load. Use an external fan or cooling pad during long play sessions to avoid thermal throttling on a thin MacBook Air. Regularly clear Sims caches in Documents/Electronic Arts and keep mods updated or disabled to prevent crashes and load issues. Finally, plug into power for best sustained performance and save often to cloud or external drives to protect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.